There is big blow for Goa police in the alleged honey trap and fake rape cases, as the POCSO court has declined the request of anti-human trafficking unit to discharge accused Anant Tanna, who was charge sheeted for raping a model. In the follow-up investigation in another rape case, Goa police has learned that case against Anant Tanna is fake and he was actually honey trapped. After a lot of technical analysis, this special investigation team learned that the case against Anant Tanna is likely to be a fake rape case and he has been falsely implicated. That's why anti-human trafficking unit filed additional charge sheet pleading to discharge Anant Tanna, but the court today has dismissed the plea of anti-human trafficking unit and has ordered to frame charges against Anant Tanna for rape. Without coming on camera, counsel representing Anant Tanna has told to Prudent that they will approach the High Court challenging this order. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.